everyone, this is Priya. You are watching the Leviosa Reader. Today we are going to talk about the book Unlocking the Lockdown Stories by Juhi Jaisinghani. This book is a collection of 10 short stories which revolves around current pandemic situation. Each story has characters which has different economic background, different age group, as well as they are doing different jobs. Each of these story radiate positivity, which is a must need in this current testing times. The stories are very realistic that could have happened, near you, near me, or even to us itself, right? You never know it. And each of the stories end on a positive note. These stories gave me a feel like I'm standing in a seashore and I'm getting a mild breeze. How would I feel? I got the similar, feel good in this all these stories. My favorite story is Loves in the Air, and I could connect very well with another story as well, which is called Unfortunately Fortunate. This story is about young software engineer who's just passed out of the college. He gets into the job against his wishes, but then that was the only way to boost up his family economic conditions, but he gets laid off in this pandemic situation. You have to read this story and to see how this boy turns this unfortunate incident into a fortune incident, and how he finds his true passion and how his life gets changed for really good. Another thing I like most about this book is its simple English language. The language is classy, but it's simple as well. Gone are those days where using a complicated vocabulary or a vocabulary from Victorian era is considered as mastery in English. Communication is nothing but usage of language which the other party can also understand. For this reason, I could never read books written by Sashi Tharoor or Arundhati Rai. I mean, I could never connect with their books. Come on, guys. If I have to, look into a dictionary for each and every page several times, I wouldn't feel like getting connected to the story. Juhi has done an excellent job using simple but classy English, which makes the readers well connected to her stories. All these stories are written in first person descriptive. Usually, whenever I read a book, I tend to become one of the characters of the book. If I'm not able to be a character, be it a human being, be it an alien, be it a dog or a cat, or even a chair, doesn't matter. But if I'm not able to become one of the character, or if I'm not able to assume one of the character in the book, that means I don't have connectivity with the book, right? So I will not be able to push more than 100 pages if I don't get that connectivity feeling with the book. Even though all these 10 short stories revolve around people of different background, I could very well connect myself with all these stories. It was really hard for me to believe that this is author Juhi's debut novel. She has done a really an excellent job of bringing out positivity through her collection of short stories. Priced at rupees 145, this book is a good read, or I would say excellent read. I would give this book a rating of 5 out of 5. Until I meet you guys with another bookish content, it's bye from Priya.